It's Wednesday and I open the curtain and Harry has got us to our third delivery point in Paramount, California. He checks us in and gets us on a door. Under Fred's watchful supervision, of course. Then it's time to get back out on the road, starting us off on 710 North. Which brings us around Los Angeles and on to 5 North. Harry drives for a little while longer, and there is definitely plenty to see. Until finally we stop at the Flying J in Lebec so we can switch off. And this one has a Dunkin', 'cause Mama needs her iced coffee. Fred's in the co-pilot seat. That means it's time for us to get going, back on 5 North. And even though there's some clouds floating around, it really is a pretty great driving day. I stay on 5 North for the rest of the afternoon, before stopping at the Louvres in Patterson so we can stop for the night. Fred absolutely remembers that there's a dog park here. And yes, he had it all to himself. Boy, he really loves this dog park. He regrets nothing. YOLO. Sun sets and night falls, and with only 87 miles to go, Harry will be able to make our 4th and final delivery in the morning. Then we can figure out how they're going to get us heading back east. Stay tuned.